This is a computer hard drive disk. When they fail, it is normally the electronics that is damaged, but the motor normally is still in good condition. I heard that they can be used as generators, so let's disassemble the disk and check the motor to see how it performs. Let's take out the circuit board to gain access to the motor's terminals. Okay, it is a motor with 4 terminals. I am going to solder some wires to make tests of resistance and voltage. With the wires connected to the motor's terminals, let's check if we get some voltage readings. I'm going to connect the terminal 1 with the 2. Must be AC. And we get around 0.4 volts. Number 1 with number 3, the same. 1 with 4, around 0.2. And in fact, we should get a reading on every pair of terminals. Some voltages are larger than others, and that depends on the internal wiring of the coils of the motor. After measuring the resistance between pairs of terminals of the motor, this is 1, 2, 3, and 4, I get these values. Between 1, 2, 1, 3, and 1, 4, 2.6 ohms, and between 2, 3, 2, 4, and 3, 4, almost double the value, 4.9 ohms. So the motor must be internally connected like this. In a star configuration, there are 3 coils joined in the center, which is the terminal 1, and the others are 2, 3, and 4. So we get one value of resistance between one and the other 3 terminals, and almost the double between any other pair of terminals. So this is a 3-phase AC motor. What I'm gonna do is to use a full wave bridge rectifier to use the energy from the 3 coils and obtain a single DC output that we can connect to a certain load. Here is the rectifier made with 6 common diodes. So here it is. The central terminal of the motor is not needed. And now let's make some tests of voltage and current. Let's check the voltage first. I'm going to spin the disc using my Dremel with a rubber band to have traction. So we can get about 10 volts. And now let's see what current we get. Around 1.25 amps. So we have 10 volts and 1.25 amps. So the power that we can get from the motor is around 12 to 13 watts. Let's try with this little incandescent bulb. In conclusion, yes, the hard drive motor can be used as a generator with a power of 10 watts or more, because this is of course not a very efficient method to spin the disk.